one's finished and I turn them all out. You may think I'm done, but there's no doubt. The work's just begun, I got a long hard day. I have to work another job so I can buy more hay. You gotta milk 'em every morning, milk 'em every night. You gotta sell that milk no matter what the price. Holidays and all, it just won't wait. When you're a milking cow, you just can't be late. One of these days I'm gonna sell these cows and quit. I can't take it no longer. I'm about to lose my grip. How would you like to get up?